Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: iPhone X on iOS 11 or newer and enough battery. Open Settings, tap Control Center, then customize controls and add screen recording. Once done, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. You should see the record circle. Press and hold the record icon to choose microphone audio if you need narration. Tap Start Recording and wait for the 3-second countdown. You've started capturing. Next, we refine capture options and app permissions. Now you'll configure detailed options before recording important content. Long press the record icon to enable the microphone if you want voiceover, because the default is off. Make sure the app you'll capture permits screen recording. Some banking or DRM apps block capture, so test briefly. To avoid interruptions, enable Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode. This prevents banners or calls from appearing. Once configured, start the recording and perform your tasks. Make sure to watch the red status bar to confirm active capture. To finish, tap the red status bar or return to Control Center and tap the record icon. The video saves automatically to Photos. You can open Photos, select the clip, and use Edit to trim start/endpoints or adjust exposure. If you don't see a recording, make sure screen recording wasn't removed from Control Center and that you had storage space. Once done, restart your iPhone and retry. If audio is missing, confirm the microphone was enabled when you started. That fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.